Today, I'll walk you through how to turn off notification sound in Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your notification settings so you can enjoy a quieter experience while using the app. Let's dive right in. First, open your Snapchat application on your device. This is where all the fun begins, and you'll want to make sure you're on the main camera screen. It's the default view when you launch the app. Once you're on the camera screen, look to the top left part of the screen and press your profile icon. This is your personal space in Snapchat, where you can manage your settings and view your snap code. Now you'll see a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your Snapchat experience, including notifications. Next, scroll down until you find the notifications option. Clicking on this will take you to a new screen where you can see all the different types of notifications you can manage. Here, you can modify the settings to enable notifications only for the activities that you want to be notified about. For instance, you might want to keep notifications for messages but turn off sounds for stories. If you decide that you don't want any notifications at all, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just disable all the notification options. This way, you can enjoy using Snapchat without any interruptions from sounds. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off the notification sound in Snapchat. Remember, customizing your notifications can help create a more enjoyable experience, allowing you to focus on what matters most to you. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.